If for some reason you find yourself without air conditioning, you can still find some cool relief with a simple fan. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll tell you how to add a chill to the air at only pennies on the dollar right after this. Black and green stuff growing on your roof or siding? Pick up Wet and Forget's new rapid application hose end. Now Wet and Forget No Scrub Outdoor Cleaner is even easier with a brand new nozzle that attaches to your garden hose and sprays up to 30 feet. Wet and Forget hose end quickly and easily treats surfaces you normally couldn't reach without climbing up the ladder. Each bottle cleans up to a whopping 2,000 square feet. Visit wetandforget.com to find a retailer near you. Whether your air conditioning is on the blink or perhaps you don't have central air in your home, I've got a simple idea that gives you that cool blast without costing a lot of cold cash. A simple box fan or an oscillating fan that can be set to stay in one position is the first thing you'll need. Next, find a large bowl and fill it with ice. Place this bowl in front of the blowing fan and you have yourself a homemade air conditioner. As the warm air blows over the ice, it cools down considerably and you get the benefit. But if you use this over the course of several hours, be prepared to add a little more ice as needed. While this won't work to cool down an entire room, it's perfect for individual comfort or small spaces. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.